fun watch CodesEmpire.
Welcome back to CodesEmpire, my friends. So, today I've got Bugs with me. Of course, you know me, Jason. And we've got Bugs's Jeep Rubicon camp sitting here. And we've got some parts, some new stuff on the table here. Yeah. Well, we already unboxed them, and I didn't want to cover up. There was a bunch of vital information on the boxes because, you know, I want to return a thank you letter for these here. So I didn't want to cover up that information. But if you guys remember recently, we entered a photo of Bugs's Jeep Rubicon, okay, on a Facebook page. It was Boot Camp RC's Facebook page. They were running a contest, okay, and there was a lot of cool pictures, okay, and there was, you know, certain stipulations you had to follow. So of course we found a little card and we filled out the stuff that they required you to do, and then took a picture with her Jeep with that card, okay. And in the process of it, when they finally went to go draw out names, you know, or photos or whatnot, Bugs got lucky and hers got picked. So she totally, just out of random, she got picked. So she was really floored when I told her she won. She couldn't believe it, huh? And again, I had to show her what she won, and she was like, wow. And then when they came, I opened them up and showed her, and she was floored. So here we are, we're doing the video with them. We're going to show you them, and we're gonna we'll do a little bit of letting Bugs install them, and so she'll show you how to put them on, and so you'll get to see a little bit of that. And yeah, and you'll get to see her Jeep with some cool upgrades on it. But I'm going to read you this awesome letter that came from the group of guys that all put in for this awesome prize, okay? So it says, hi, congratulations on winning the handmade SSF rock sliders. Hope Bugs enjoys them. I included some team K&K hardware for you, a scale plate, and a custom spare tire cover that I made. Thank you from Boot Camp RC, Madskills RC live from Texas, and SSF. So, oh yeah, so you only see a couple things here. Don't worry, we're going to show you the others, because they were kind of little added extras, and I thought that was totally cool. So the prize consisted of this right here. So these awesome rock sliders. They're actually stainless steel, okay. Quite impressed with them. And they're drilled out, they're ready. Basically just remove the old hardware and then put these in place. You know, remove the old rock sliders, and then you can use the existing hardware, but they went ahead and included some awesome hardware to install those with. And then she also won this cool toolbox, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh? That is awesome. That was hand built and painted and everything. Got a cool little handle. I mean, I just think that's cool. Don't you?
Yeah.
And then, and that was done up by Madskills RC live from Texas, and they also included a cool decal, so that was awesome. Yeah, that is just too cool. So she's got plans where she wants to put that at. And then Boot Camp RC threw us in a scale license plate. Yeah, scale license plate. What do you guys think about that, huh? And a cool tire cover for her spare tire on the back. Is that cool?
Yeah.
That's way cool, huh? What do you think, Bugs? You want to show it? You want to walk it up there and show it off? What do you want to? You show some of that off. Show some of your bling off. Put them both up there. Oh, back up. There you go. That's just too cool. Hard not to enjoy that and to see this little girl just super excited to do some cool upgrades on her rig. So she's excited about it. So enough of that. We're gonna go ahead and start adding these upgrades onto her rig. You ready? Cool. You want to put that letter over there? Go ahead and put that over there. There you go. Perfect. You want to put on your spare tire cover? Go ahead and throw that on there. Well, my friends, you've got to see Bugs help out and help put her rock sliders on. She's got her new cool scale license plate. Love that. You like that?
Yeah.
Boot Camp RC right there. Pretty cool stuff. And then she's got her Madskills RC live from Texas on the driver's side door. That's where she said she wanted it. So that's where she's getting it. So there that is. Pretty slick overall. Yeah, we did notice we'll have to do just a hair bit of trimming on the bottom edge of the stock body here. So we'll trim this up just a little bit just so it sits pretty flush. But I mean, the body pins, if we just push it down and push them on, it would be fine. It looks pretty good overall. I love that. That's pretty slick. Do you like that, Bugs?
Yeah.
She's got her 4x4 tire cover on there. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. So man, this is a trail rig now. Man, those rock sliders, those are slick. She's gonna be just gliding over stuff with those. That is awesome. Very cool. Very cool. Sorry guys, we're in awe. So, yeah, very sweet. I love it. Bugs loves it too. So can you tell Boot Camp RC, thank you.
Thank you.
So, and then same with Madskills RC too, because he did your little toolbox in there too. Pretty cool, huh? So he did the toolbox. That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Can you tell him thank you?
Thank you.
So, cool stuff, guys. So, we're glad you stuck it out and watched us put this together. Definitely is cool, well worth it. Might be interested in getting a few more of these rock sliders maybe. Might have to see what other options we have as far as some of our other rigs. So anyways, yeah, wow, gotta check that out, man. That's too cool. Sorry, we're just in awe. That is so cool. So I guess we'll wrap this up. Thanks for watching with CodesEmpire, and we'll see you guys later. Thumbs up, my friends.
Bye.
Bye.
Cool.